Now I change the font size of report name. Click cell A4. In Home tab, Font Group, click Font Size arrow button. Scroll down the list, select 18. Similarly, you can increase or decrease the font size of text by clicking these two buttons. Now click Bold button to make your text bold. Bold button darken the text and make text easily readable. Select the data header and click Bold button to make your text bold. Now I change the font style of report name. Click cell A4. In Home tab, Font Group, click Font Style arrow button. You have plenty of font style here. Point your cursor at any font and get live preview. You can check by moving cursor at any font style. Scroll down. I select the Costler font style. Click OK. So you can change the font style of text by clicking this button. Now I change the font color of text. In Home tab, Font Group, click Font Color button. You can change the font color of text by clicking this button. First select the cell reference range, then click Font Color button. You have different color here. I select red color. But make sure the text should be visible and clearly readable after selecting the text color.